All right, we're gonna do a quick visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, just the overall cosmetic condition. We have some scratches here, a few on that little hub, a couple of tiny scuffs on the wheel, otherwise in great condition. We have a gash right here and some chips. Overall, that fender looks good. See 2 small chips there. That looks nice. That mirror looks good. All of that's clean. See a couple scuffs there. A few small rock chips. Another small scuff. Very subtle, being silver. Those steps look good. Got a scratch right there. That looks good. We do have some rash on the wheel here and some gashes there. Little rash there. And then typical scuffs and scratches here in the bed. That taillight looks nice. Got that multi-flex tailgate, which is really cool. That taillight looks good. A couple scuffs here. Got a dent right there, a gash here. A few small scuffs here and there. Got that scratch on the silver. Like I said, a few little impacts, few scratches. Gonna have the rock chips throughout this area. Looking at the fender. Overall, that's in good condition. We do have some scratches here and some chips there. Looking at this wheel, got a couple scratches on this, a few chips every once in a while. Here on the side mirror, we do have a couple transfer marks and a few scuffs. Overall, that door looks good. Here on the edges though, we do have some chips. Got a larger chip right there. Few small scuffs on the bed, but otherwise it's in good condition. Same with this wheel, a couple small scuffs, but looks good. Tread looks amazing. Is a non-smoker. Overall, that panel looks great. A couple little scuffs here and there. Those buttons look nice. Typical scuffs on this plastic trim. Got the all-weather mats. Now you do have some stains on that seat. That bolster looks nice. Same here, looks really good. Overall, the steering wheel looks good. Those buttons look nice. All of that looks good. Got the big screen. The trailer brake controller here and those ports. That looks good, and this folds up to be a seat. No storage here though. Here on the back left door panel, overall looks good. Got a small scuff there. A few scuffs on the plastic. Got the all-weather mats. That seat looks good. A couple small stains, otherwise in great condition. Here on the back right door panel, looks good. Checking out the seats here. They look really nice. Here on the front right door panel, overall in great condition. Couple tiny scuffs. Got your all-weather mats. Seats look good. Couple scuffs on the glove box, but otherwise in great condition. That looks good. Headliner looks nice. And now that this is in the sun, you can see on the center console here by the lid that has yellowed.